Hey pups, it's Jenny Grace, and welcome back to another video. Sorry, my hair is crazy. And I'm not saying that because it's red. What the hell? Okay, so today we had what's the word? Request. We had a request from Snake121 on YouTube to do the sneezing challenge. So I don't sneeze very easily or often at all. But basically the rules are to set a 5-minute timer and sneeze as much as I can within those 5 minutes. So but we'll see how it works out. But I can do anything I need to make myself sneeze. So I'm in my very messy room right now, so might take some dust off the fan. Might, put stuff under my nose. I don't have a sense of smell, so I don't think smelling a marker will work, but and that's not for COVID or anything. I was born without a sense of smell. What do I got in my drawers? Ooh, sometimes when I pick up my eyebrow, it makes me sneeze. So yeah. Let's do this thing. My time says it's at 2:08 minutes right now. So let's do it. 2:15. So I have no script planned for this part of the video where I'm just trying to make myself sneeze. So it might get awkward at times. So this would be better as a live stream probably, because then I could respond to you guys, but I don't think I have that ability with YouTube yet. I can't figure out how to live stream at least. The eyebrow isn't working. Yeah, it's not working. I have markers. I don't know if just the chemicals will make me sneeze. If I can't sneeze by the end of the video, I'll just fake sneeze for you guys, so that you can hear what my sneeze sounds like. That's not working, maybe. Alright. I'm gonna try and get some dust. Don't try this at home. This might be working. You know, this will be good for being an actor if I can figure out how to make myself sneeze. But I'm really good at fake sneezing, so I might not need to actually sneeze. Yeah, I'm not sneezing. I'm not holding it back either. Where's the camera? I've got dust. I'm like brushing it up against my nose. It's not working. I'm at 4 minutes. So I've got a minute 15 left. What else do I got? I don't got much. I mean, I have a lot of stuff, but none of it's gonna make me sneeze. I don't have feathers or anything, or else I would try that. Is my cat in my room? He has a lot of dandruff. Nope, Benny is not in my room. Yeah, it's kind of funny how my cat's Benny and I'm Jenny. Doesn't get confusing at all, she said sarcastically. I have a fan. I don't think it's gonna do anything though. Okay. It's been 5 minutes. I couldn't sneeze, so I will give you guys a fake sneeze that sounds kind of like my real sneeze. You're welcome. Alright. That video didn't work, so Snake121, I'm sorry that I couldn't sneeze. I did try. I don't have, like, anything that helps you sneeze. So I hope that fake sneeze at the end was worth your time. But thank you for the request. If you guys want to request a video, you can follow me on Instagram at Jenny Grace. Actually, no, not at Jenny Grace. At Jenny.__grace. I'll just put it on the screen. But you can follow me there, DM me. And then TikTok, I'm at Ravenquizzer. I'll put that on the screen too. And in the description, I'll put links. And yeah. This was a good attempt at a video. Sorry. I burp more than I sneeze, I guess. So, yeah. Alright. You guys are my pups. I love you. Alright. See you in the next video. Bye.